Our story today is about shooting stars. We're going on a journey with a space rock in outer space as it makes its way to our planet. Want to hear the story? Keep watching. Hello, my young friends, and my young at heart friends too, of course, and welcome to the very first story at Storytime with Good Rainbow, where stories come to life. As I said, our story today is about shooting stars. It's the story of the field of the sky. Do you like shooting stars? If you do, write shooting stars in the comments below. And if you like stories, go ahead and subscribe to Storytime with Good Rainbow. Twinkle! Did you hear that? I heard it too. Twinkle, twinkle! Oh, hi! Look, friends, it's Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Yes, they're my friends. They're your friends too. Twinkle, you can say hello. Twinkle! Well, friends, as you can see, Twinkle can only say twinkle for now. You can say twinkle back to Twinkle, or you can say hello. Twinkle, ooh, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Yes, our story is about shooting stars. You heard me right. Twinkle, twinkle. Just like you? Well, maybe not just like you. Twinkle? You'd like to know how shooting stars are different from you, an actual star? Twinkle? Well, I think if you listen to the story, you'll know for sure. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Okay, Twinkle, you can sit right over there while we go ahead with our story. The story of the field of the sky. Our story started about 5,000 years ago. A large space rock was making its way to our planet. And when I say large, I mean the size of a large elephant large, or maybe 2, or 5, or more, like this. So you try it. Or like this. Oh, really large. You get the picture. A large space rock was making its way to our planet. We're going to call it meteoroid. Go ahead, try saying it yourselves. Meteoroid. It's a bit of a mouthful. Meteoroid was making its way to our planet. As it approached our planet's atmosphere, it started getting hot. You see, it's really cold in outer space, but our planet's atmosphere keeps us nice and warm. And what do you do when you feel warm? You take off your jacket, right? Well, Meteoroid started taking off pieces of itself. Some pieces were so small that they burned up completely in the night sky, leaving a sparkly trail behind. Did you hear that? A sparkly trail behind. What does that mean? It's a shooting star. That's what a shooting star is. It's a space rock burning up in the night sky. Did you hear that, Twinkle? Remember that. Now, some pieces were so big that they didn't burn up in the night sky. Nope. They landed. They didn't just land, though. They whistled by. Try that out. Make it a really loud whistle. Whoosh! And landed with a big kaboom! Go ahead. Try that yourself. So really big kaboom. All right. 1, 2, 3. Kaboom! To the ancients, it was as if the sky was falling. There were so many of them. And when they landed, they created a huge hole in the ground, a crater, a field of craters. The ancients called it Campo del Cielo. Within this field of craters were 26 individual craters created by each one of these landed space rocks. Each one of these landed space rocks, or surviving shooting stars, is a meteorite. Go ahead, try saying that yourselves. Meteorite. There were 26 meteorites. The largest, this is so cool, was the size of a baby elephant. But that's not the coolest part. Although it was the size of a baby elephant, I don't know if you're ready for this. Are you ready for this? It weighed as much as 4 large elephants. That's right. Or you can say it weighed as much as 12 SUVs. Why is one meteorite the size of a baby elephant as heavy as 12 SUVs? That's because these meteorites from the field of the sky, the Campo del Cielo meteorites, are all metal meteorites. What does that mean? It means they're made mostly of the heavy metal iron. Actually, let me show you. I have a Campo del Cielo meteorite right over here. It's very heavy for its small size. And let me show you. Can you see this brown spot over here? That's where the iron has reacted with the oxygen and created rust. That's why it looks brown like that. The other heavy metal that's in this meteorite is nickel. And that's what you see over here, the shiny vein. That is the nickel. And over here too. If you smell it, it smells like iron, but it also smells of something else. It smells of a coin. How? That's because we use nickel to make coins. Of course, we don't use nickel that we find in meteorites. Meteorites are far too precious, but our planet has an abundance of nickel, and we use nickel to make coins. Now, if this has iron in it, the magnet should stick to it, right? Want to see? There we go. Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Ah, there we are. So, this is a Campo del Cielo meteorite. And this was the story of the field of the sky. Our very first story at Storytime with Good Rainbow. Twinkle! Yes, Twinkle! Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle! Why are you so excited? Twinkle, 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 twinkle! Oh, so you know why you and a shooting star are different? Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle! Do you know how Twinkle, a real star, is different from a meteorite or a shooting star? Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Uh-oh, I think I better say twinkle. There you go, little buddy. Okay, how about I hold this for you? Yes, you're right. A shooting star that burns up completely in the night sky is like this meteorite. It's a space rock. Twinkle, twinkle. This has survived its journey in our atmosphere. Twinkle, twinkle. But, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Yes. A shooting star burns up completely in the night sky. What did we say we call it? Did we say we call it something? Twinkle. No, maybe we didn't. This is a meteorite. And when the space rock is in outer space, do you remember what we call it, Twinkle? Twinkle! Okay, good try. We call it a meteoroid. But when it's burning up in the night sky, what do we call it? Twinkle! We call it a meteor. So, a meteoroid when it's in outer space, a meteor when it's burning up completely in our night sky, and a meteorite when it lands on our planet. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Okay, you want to go tell your other star friends what you learned? That's a good idea. Twinkle, twinkle, bye, Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Everyone say bye, Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Okay. If you like, you can make me a drawing. It can be a drawing of Twinkle or other stars or a shooting star or a meteor shower. That's a whole lot of shooting stars. It could be of the meteoroid, it could be of the crater, anything from this story. Send me your picture as a direct message on Instagram. Find me at Storytime with Good Rainbow. Every month I choose a few of your drawings and I make up a surprise story using your drawings. If you'd like to explore the story further, I have a free Storytime with Good Rainbow exploration guide with lots of fun activities for you to take your story experience further. The link to the Storytime with Good Rainbow exploration guide is in the description box below. If you like the story, give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you'd like more Storytime with Good Rainbow, there's a story once a week, every Thursday. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you know the next time there's a new story. See you next time for more Storytime with Good Rainbow. Bye!